The 2018 Dodge Demon was the pinnacle of drag racing performance. Never before had we seen a factory drag race car that excelled in every aspect, with the introduction to the Challenger wide body, factory race fuel profile, a trans brake, an unlocked race ECU, and of course a race crate filled with drag racing accessories. From jacks to skinny tires, the Demon crate was a treasure trove of tools and parts. But mysteriously, we did not get a new race crate with the new 2023 Demon 170. But what if I told you I spoke with Dodge and discovered 2 reasons why this critical piece is missing? You know what else is shocking? The number of people who come to me with vehicle issues and feel completely lost when these huge franchises and corporations refuse to resolve their problems. But don't worry, my friends at Gordon & Partners have you covered. Whenever a dealership catches fire and won't take responsibility for destroying your vehicle, or a corporation takes over a year to slow walk your buyback option, Gordon & Partners are here to help you guys out. And with my special email address, butter@floridainjured.com, you'll be connected to some of the best lawyers in the country who provide the help that you need and the help that you deserve. I won't name names, but let's just say I've discussed this topic with someone who I bet you can guess.
Now, if that wasn't enough, and you're really paying attention, and you're really quick with the math,
but my over 35,000 friends and the 77% of you who are not yet subscribed, I went straight to the source with my question because when I watched the Las Vegas Last Call live stream, I kept wondering, when is Tim Kuniskis going to mention the new Demon 170 crate? I was eager to see how Dodge would top the 2018 Demon crate, but when Tim Kuniskis didn't say anything about it, I thought that maybe it would appear in maybe the options list later on Dodge Garage. So later when I checked the Dodge Garage website where all the options and specs are listed, and to my surprise, no Demon 170 crate this time, which that sucks. But after the situation with the active duty soldier being screwed off his Demon 170 last December, and the whole behind the scenes circus that was going on, I now have a formal relationship with Dodge to where I can ask questions about some things. So it was still creeping in the back of my head of why the Demon 170 did not come with a crate. I've been sitting on this answer since January, and it didn't dawn on me until recently that I never made a video about this. Back in January, I first raised a concern about the Demon 170 crate in the context of owners having issues acquiring the carbon fiber wheels for their Demon 170s. Now, many owners were placed on a wait list. Some were being asked to remove their wheels for their bills to be prioritized, and ultimately many were left without a solution, unable to get the wheels that they desired. Now, given the situation, I wonder why Dodge didn't consider putting the carbon fiber wheels in a Demon 170 crate and shipping the crates once the vendor was able to produce enough wheels. Now, this seemed like a practical solution to me. If you have all these customers waiting and willing to pay almost $12,000 for carbon fiber wheels, it makes sense to package the wheels in a box and ship them out over time as they become available.
and you're really paying attention, and you're really quick with the math.
When I inquired further, Dodge explained that they couldn't list an item on the Moroni window sticker and then ship the car without that item. Essentially, if the carbon fiber wheels were listed on the window sticker, but the car didn't come with them, Dodge would be in a very difficult position, potentially illegal. The main issue, as I learned, was that the vendor simply couldn't produce enough wheels in time. Now, after their release in the Direct Connection store, there has been a 57% price increase for the same exact D170 carbon fiber wheels. Given that there was people on a waiting list, it seems reasonable that Dodge should offer a voucher or some form of compensation to allow those customers to purchase the wheels at their original price. When the issue of the 149 mile per hour limit for the D170 arose, I made a video clarifying Dodge's official statement on the matter. I also suggested a solution including a street and tire package for the D170 and a D170 crate, along with an unlocked race ECU, similar to what was done with the 2018 Demon. This would allow customers to safely exceed 149 miles per hour and potentially enable Dodge to legally claim that the Demon 170 is the quickest and fastest Dodge ever. When the 149 mile per hour controversy surfaced, Dodge had to adjust all of their marketing, claiming that the Demon 170 was the quickest Dodge ever, but not also the fastest. This is because being limited to 149 miles per hour means that even just a Scat Pack with a top speed of around 174 miles per hour could overtake a Demon 170. Some owners are now suing Dodge over this top speed issue. While I'm not personally involved in any of these lawsuits, my channel sponsor, Gordon & Partners, can assist those of you who have concerns about the 149 mile per hour limit. Now, I believe that if Dodge offered a new crate with street tires, wheels, and an unlocked race ECU, and perhaps a lighter drive shaft, because I've heard some people say that the drive shaft is also another limiting factor, it will solidify the Demon 170 as the quickest and fastest Dodge on both the strip and the street. I recently spoke with SRT Demon Concierge, and there still is no ETA on when a street wheel and tire package will be available for the Demon 170. I also plan to suggest to the new regime at Dodge that maybe they should offer an unlocked race ECU in the direct connection store as well, to also allow the Demon 170 to hopefully go to higher speeds and definitely be the best Dodge ever made.
It's kind of ironic, really, that a brand that's known for making so much smoke is taking transparency so seriously to make sure everyone is taken care of. Now, if that wasn't enough, and you're really paying attention, and you're really quick with the math, and you paid attention to the cars outside, you counted 7 car covers, and I said, look for 6. That 7th car, right there under the wraps, that car is destined for SEMA this year, and it is destined for the history books. If you doubt me, check the license plate, because I can guarantee you that's the clue.
Another reason I was told that the Demon 170 does not come with a crate is due to collectability concerns. Let's set aside my previous suggestions about including the carbon fiber wheels or a street wheel setup in the crate. Imagine instead that now this crate is filled with accessories to make the Demon 170 more drag strip ready, such as the harness bar, parachute kit, and probably the handle for it. The next issue arises with the owners themselves. Now, many of you might have seen or heard about the 2018 Demons sales where the crate was missing. From conversations with various people, it is clear that the fate of some of these 2018 Demon crates varied wildly. You got some owners that left the crates at the dealership because they didn't want it. You got some who shipped their Demon 170s without the crate. You got some that sold their Demons and kept the crate as a keepsake. Then you got some people who held on to the crate to sell it at a later date for several thousands of dollars. This inconsistency in the crate retention has hurt collectability of the 2018 Demon. It's not like you can call up Concierge and ask for a replacement crate these days. These items are unreplaceable. Dodge's concern wasn't about the cost of the crate, but its long-term collectability for the 2023 Demon 170. For the sake of collectability, they prefer items like the carbon fiber wheels to be listed on the window sticker to ensure the car's value over time. If the items are in a crate and not listed on the window sticker, how would you know that the car originally came with carbon fiber wheels? To sum it all up, the Demon 170 didn't come with a crate due to concerns about collectability, the Maroney sticker legality, and increasing the value of some of these Demon 170s. I was told directly that the cost of the crate was not a concern for Dodge. However, they couldn't legally put the carbon fiber wheels on the Maroney sticker and ship the wheels out later without the car. There were many things going on behind the scenes with Demon 170, and I can understand why some aspects like the crate and the 149 mile per hour legal issues, this particular thing was missed. I'll delve into those legal issues at another time. But for my ultimate Demon 170 fantasy, I envision that the last and greatest challenger ever, I would love to see a Demon 170 crate accompanying it. If this was the best car that Dodge could offer, an all carbon fiber Demon 170 crate would have been spectacular in my eyes, including a bunch of Snap-on branded tools, carbon fiber wheels, and accessories like the parachute kit and maybe the cover kit would have been the ultimate Demon 170 crate. But what do you guys think? and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. And until the next time, I'm out.
Tim Kaniskis.
Completely undeserved. Welcome to the garage. You know, if you're here with us live or at home watching on the stream, you know there's no suits here and we're not scared. Because this lineup deserves a send-off unlike any other. And we've been listening to you, reading your posts, your blogs, your user-generated content, and not all of it, but some of it, in order to give you exactly what you've been asking for, within reason. And our Power Broker program was born really as kind of a badass concierge. And we're gonna lean on that channel very hard to deliver all of this for you. And we're gonna amp up all of our direct connection stuff. It's kind of ironic, really, that a brand that's known for making so much smoke is taking transparency so seriously to make sure everyone is taken care of. Now, if that wasn't enough, and you're really paying attention, and you're really quick with the math, and you paid attention to the cars outside, you counted 7 car covers, and I said, look for 6. That 7th car, right there, under the wraps, that car is destined for SEMA this year, and it is destined for the history books. If you doubt me, check the license plate, because I can guarantee you that's the clue. And if that's not enough proof that we've got our ear to the asphalt, remember, it's only Monday, and we're just getting started.